Alright, so looking over that list of Downing's requests for this app, looks like he wants some items. I'm just going to throw an arrangement up top, which will be the label for his stopwatch counter. And I'll put one below it for the start, stop, reset button. One below that for the memory recall, memory plus, and memory minus button. And one below that for his selfie button and for his timer. I'm going to adjust the size of these arrangements. I'll have things centered. I'll center things inside those. Height, I'm going to try see what 40 pixels does. It should be okay. It looks a little bit narrow, but I'll find it. And I'm going to fill parent on all of these. So each one I'm going to go and do center. Height, we'll go 45 pixels. And width, fill parent. Make this guy also 45. So I'm making each one the same. So I'll fix those and I'll be right back. Alright, so I made my arrangements all 45 by fill parent, 45, 45, and my top one I made it 50% fill parent. Top one I'm going to pack in this contraption. I'm packing in a label, which will become the stopwatch number or timer. And then in these ones below it, I'm packing in some buttons. I'll have a start button, a stop button, a reset button. I'll have a memory plus button, memory minus button, and a memory clear button. I'll have a selfie button, and I'll have a timer button. So these buttons, I'm going to get them all changed their names. I'm going to rename the button itself. I'm going to rename it. I'll call this here Start. And then I'm going to change the text on it to match. And right now my text says button 1. I'm going to call it here Start. Okay, I do the same for the rest. I'm going to change all the names. Got 2 buttons to go here yet. This button I'm going to rename it as my selfie button and rename it as my timer button. Alright, as far as button size goes, each one is set to be automatic. I may have the height be automatic, but the width I might make it all a percent, so evenly spaced. If I go with 33, that's going to be 99%. I might just go 30% for all those. So start, stop, we'll go percent, 30%, hit OK. And then this guy too with percent 30. So they're all the same. Do that for all my buttons. But I might make these bigger buttons a bit bigger. So selfie looks a bit bigger. Let's go with might go 45%, make it a bit bigger. And timer button, the same thing, make it a bit bigger. Say fill. And as far as colors go, right now it's a standard default color. The background color is default. I may have for start, I may pick a green color for start. The stop, I may pick it to be a red color. And then reset, maybe a nice blue or something. Okay. It changes here as well too. So I got my buttons all colored. And then you see the background is clear. I took each arrangement, made the background color to none. I'm up here. I'll make that label a bit bigger so you can see it. Right now it's 14-point lettering. What does 75 give me? And let's maybe keep it. How about try having my text, maybe let's go 0.0 to kind of show that the stopwatch has been cleared. And then text color black works. This arrangement, you want to have maybe a black background, and then maybe have the text have the color of white. We can see it. Okay, so that's my construction phase of my stopwatch app.